everybody, it's Fernando from SST Technologies, and I wanted to remind all of you that have a biofeedback device, one of the ones that we support, that all of you on the back of your device have banana plugs. Some of you may only have one red and one black, or you may have red, blue, yellow, and black. Now, I want to talk about the black one. The black one is for input, and since we've all got one, we can go ahead and input additional things into our sessions. Well, what is an example? Well, what I like to do is use what accessory that I have available that's not being used, and I will set things on that accessory. In this case, in this picture, you can see I have a face veil, one of the accessories that we sell, plugged into my Blackport, and on it I've got different crystals and stones, as well as one of the quantum wave lasers and one of the health gems and one of our quantum cups with a liquid in it. You can see in another case here, I've got this is another session. I even have a piece of nutrition on here, and what's happening is the frequencies that either these devices, these crystals, stones, or nutrition are giving off are coming in through the Blackport and being piggybacked to whatever frequencies that the device is sending out to our clients, so it's making our sessions more effective. You could even put your face veil on top of one of your LED light therapy pads if you have one, and we've seen with the Elon lights a 37.5% increase in frequency output by just doing this alone, utilizing our Blackport. So you can even see in this case, I have a real little accessory. I think this is the male pad or the female pad with different stones on it and the health gem. And with the oscilloscope, we were able to test when doing the health gem through the Blackport that we saw a 300% increase in frequency output through the harness to the client. Talk about seriously smart. So here's just some other examples of pictures I have taken during sessions, and even more stones. I'm not a crystal addict. I can stop at any time. And then here's another face veil on top of a charger plate, and you can just see I just love utilizing whatever these frequencies offer. And you can just see as my collection grows, I keep adding them into the session. And then it got to the point where now I've got more things, so I'm having an 8-port splitter plugged into the Blackport so I can have different things going. And what your client needs, they will benefit from. And if they don't need it, it's just going to pass on by. But it's such an amazing way to benefit the work with your clients. So this is where I'm at now, where I'm using stainless steel cookie sheets. And these are so much easier. When they get dusty, you can just use compressed air and blow around the crystals to clean out all the dust. And then if you ever need to recharge your crystals and stones, it's so much easier to use these to take it outside and set them in the sun, because some crystals get cleaned in the sun, some crystals get cleaned by the moon. So you have to do research on that. I hope you found this video great tips and tricks in making your sessions more effective. Well, this is Fernando from SST. Thanks and take care.